two of them was unhooked. As y'all can see, this red one was unhooked, and them two black ones. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be trying to fix my halo blue headlights, you feel me? I know the last time we was working on the headlight part of this car and we put them LED bright headlights in here, the halo lights wasn't showing, so I want to kind of see why they ain't showing. I want to see if some wires got unhooked or something. So that's one thing we finna check out this video. We're gonna try and fix the halo lights on this car. Then the next video we're gonna be throwing a couple pieces of trims. Y'all can see I got a couple packages. So this is the driver side, passenger side, driver side. So we're gonna be throwing a couple pieces of trim, then all the trim gonna be done. Then I think that'll be it for the outside. There ain't nothing else I can really do personally on the outside. So I think after we throw this trim on, that's gonna be it for the exterior of the car. Interior, like I said, I still need to get this seat belt piece. I still need to get this trim piece. I haven't really been looking, cause you feel me, I've been focused on trying to get these trims, cause these trims are so hard to find. So that's been my main focus, and they hard to find and they not cheap, you feel me? Them trim pieces, like for one of them alone is $100, you feel me? So that's what I'm saying. This stuff's not cheap. I got a lot of money in this car, which I already knew I was gonna have to put a lot of money in it, because it's an old school, you feel me? And this is my dream car, so I want to build it the way I want it to look. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. We're gonna try and fix the blue halo lights, see why they not working. That way they can come on, you feel me, when I pull this once instead of twice to have my headlights on. When I pull it once, the halo light should come on. So yeah, that's what we finna try and fix this video. Hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Yeah, so let's get a cold start real quick. I ain't started the car in like 2-3 days. Let's get a little cold start. Should crank right up though, it always do. See what I'm saying? Crank right up, you feel me? First turn. But yeah, like I said, I need to turn this car around so it'll be facing that way. Yeah, and we're gonna try and figure out these halo lights, because the sun coming down from this way, you feel me? So I'm gonna have to turn the car around so the sun won't be, so I can see a little better, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, we're gonna get ready to turn the car around. Okay, y'all, look quick cold start. I might drive it today. It's supposed to rain today, but I might drive it. But yeah, let me go ahead and turn this around. I'm doing too much talking. Let me turn the car around. I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so we finna turn the light, well, not turn it, but pull the light thing just once. Y'all see, just once. Now let's see what we working with to start off with. Y'all see my side marker on? Okay, so we only got one halo light working. As y'all can see, I got blue halo lights. When I bought the car, they came with this, so yeah, only one of them working, and ain't nothing on this side, so it gotta be the wire. My side marker light not even on this side. That's probably the bulb. I don't know. But my side marker light on here. Let me turn my lights all the way on, and I have my brights on so I can have all 4 lights. You feel me? See, I got my brights on so I can have all 4 of them together. And all of them are working, but my side marker not working. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at that too. So yeah, we got some work ahead of us. Let me turn this off before it start draining my battery. Yep, so we need to see why it's doing it, and my car is leaning. It's because one of my spring knuckles came out over here. So I'm gonna have to, as y'all can see, only got one in right there. And if we go to the driver's side, I got 2 of them in. I don't know if y'all can really see, it's a little dark, but they literally right on top of each other. You feel me? One, and then the other one right there. So I got two. And I guess the one on the passenger side fell out or something. I really don't know. But that's another time I'm gonna have to install another knuckle. I gotta find an extension real quick. But let's see what we're working with. Ouch. So I might have to go under the car. So as y'all can see, that green wire and stuff is the wires to my headlight, my LED bright ones. I don't know what my wires are. I don't know what my wires are for my halos. I have to see. I think it's this blue one. Let's go into the car real quick, y'all. Nope. Let's go to here. The blue go there. So nope, that ain't it. I don't know which ones my halos are. Maybe I have to unplug my. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out my side marker lights too. Cause my side marker light ain't coming on. That might just be a bulb though. But yeah, y'all, let me see how far I can go real quick without the camera on, because I don't know how long it's gonna take. But let me show y'all one more time. If we just pull it once and not 2 times, then we should have halo lights to where I could drive during the daytime with, you feel me? Then if we pull it twice, I got my headlights. But yeah, y'all, let me try and figure this out. Try and see which wire, if a wire got messed up or something. We're gonna try and figure this out real quick. So yeah, y'all give me 1 second to see what I can do. I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright y'all, so I haven't finished hooking it up, but I figured out what was wrong with it. So whoever, the previous owner, when he had these these halo lights installed, they ran them all to this side marker light, the side marker lamp light, or whatever you want to call it, you feel me? So 2 of them was unhooked. As y'all can see, this red one was unhooked, and them 2 black ones. So I'm gonna have to go and I got some speaker wire in my car. I'm gonna have to go grab a little bit of extra speaker wire, cut me a little bit so I can tape them up. That way they won't come apart again, because they were stretched, you feel me? That's why they didn't get to stay, because they were stretching so they wouldn't reach, you feel me? So that's basically what I meant. So this is a ground. As y'all can see, this black one that's off, that's a ground. Them 2 black ones right there are grounds. That red one is a power, and this one right here is a power. So yeah, watch, I can show y'all too. I can pull the thing again and show y'all my halo lights won't come on. See, pull it once, side marker light on, but the halo's not. It's because I unhooked them. I found out what it was. So I couldn't even really see the wire, y'all. I couldn't really see the wire. I just took that lamp off, you feel me? And then I seen that them wire, because I seen that that wire was cut a little bit. So I figured, okay, maybe they gotta run it to that. So yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and grab some extra pieces of speaker wire. Yeah, I'm gonna use some speaker wire, you feel me, to make the line a little longer, because this ain't long. So I'm gonna use some speaker wire, and I'm gonna push that line through so it won't be stretching too far. So yeah, y'all give me a second, get everything hooked back up. I'm gonna try and see if that bulb just out. I don't know if I have no bulbs though, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna see if that bulb out over there. If so, then I'm gonna have to get another bulb, and I need to find an extension for this ratchet so I can put my knuckle back in, because my car is leaning, and I really don't like this. It don't look right. So yeah, I need to find a knuckle. I don't know how, it probably came out maybe. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but the car is leaning. Yeah, I don't know how it came out, because unless we just didn't put one over there, but the car wasn't always leaning. So that's how I knew it was my spring knuckle. Had to be my spring knuckle. So yeah, y'all, let me finish this up. I'm gonna come back to y'all, and we're gonna see what we working with. All right, y'all, so I just finished taping this side up. I can go ahead and push these back through too. So I just finished taping this side up. Let's go ahead and try and see if both of these halo lights come on. Hopefully they do, bro, because I ain't gonna lie, this didn't take me long, like 5 minutes, but I just want this to work. Pull it once. Yes, sir. Okay, so we got 2 over here, but none over here. So I'm gonna check this bulb. I'm gonna take that bulb off, put the working bulb on from over there. I'm gonna put it on over here, and I'm gonna check these wires out too and see if these wires are undone. But as y'all can see, we got these halo lights on. Yes, sir, bro. Finally. I was riding around with one halo. It was just this one halo light, you feel me, for the longest. Now I got both of them back on over here. We just need to fix that side. Like I said, it wasn't nothing. It's literally just a power wire and a ground wire, and I just plugged them up back to how the previous owner had it on here. So I just wired them on here. So these are cut on every time that cut on my side marker light. So yeah, that's pretty smart. Which I was gonna replace these halos and get the different ones, like the ones I can change colors on, but you feel me, since my car is blue, I'm gonna just rock out with these, you feel me. So yeah, let me turn this off. I know I'm draining the battery. I'm getting so tired of looking at this car and it's leaning, bro. I need to find an extension to my ratchet so I can put that knuckle in. I got some extra, I got like 4 extra knuckles, which I was gonna put I was gonna put 4 of them on my cutlass once I got it back, but I guess I can just go buy another pack if hopefully they have some. But yeah, y'all, let me take this side, let me put that side back on, take this side off, and we're gonna rock out and see what's going on, you feel me. So yeah, y'all give me another second to get the other side off so I can try and see if that side is wired up, or if not, it might just be the bulb. So yeah, let's see what's going on. I'll come back to y'all in a second. So terrible news. Well, I guess it's not as terrible, because at least we figured it out now, so I can go ahead and order the part that I need. Okay, so this side is working fine. As y'all can see, I changed my bulb out too. I got a little LED bulb in there. Yeah, focus, there we go. Now on this side, I have to replace my socket piece. It's not working. I done tried 20 different bulbs. I even took the good one from this side, put it over there, flipped it, all type of stuff. It's not working. So it's just that socket. Now I thought it was maybe a fuse, but then I was like, no, because all the other lights are working. This side, my rears, both sides, driver and passenger. So I'm gonna have to just get another socket. I'm gonna have to order it. I don't know, I'm gonna just have to order it. I'm gonna take a picture of it so I can remember. So yeah, I gotta get another socket, so y'all stay tuned for that. But other than that, we got this side halo lights working. This gonna be my other LEDs for that side whenever I get the new socket. And these was the original bulbs that went and dealt with, and then this was the extra one I found because I wanted to make sure it wasn't the bulb. But yeah, so let me go ahead and show y'all what we working with, and then I'm gonna give me a little thumbnail picture. And with that, look at that LED bulb. It looks bright. So yeah, for now we just got these 2. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm trying to get a thumbnail picture real quick. Alright. So yeah, like I said, for now we're just gonna have these 2 with the nice LED, bright white LED. So we're just gonna have these 2 for now. And I already rewired it, so the only thing I'm gonna have to do is just cut right here and then wire up the new socket, the new lamp socket. So yep, I can start cleaning up. I'm done for today. I might go ahead and record one more video. What time is it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and record one more video, which is gonna be putting on them trims. 1, 2. We're gonna see how that goes. So yep, y'all stay tuned and we'll have a full matching trim. This one got a little dent in it, but it'll be alright because I'm not ordering no more because I can't find any more. But yep, we got these 2 working at least, so at least we got them 2, and at least we know what the problem is. So yeah, like I said, I need to take a picture of this. I need to get a picture of that. This way. Alright. So, yeah, I'm gonna try and go ahead and order that part today. So it'll be in by the end of this week, you feel me? So, yep, let me go ahead and get ready to start throwing everything back on. Then we can get ready to work on the trim, and I still need to find an extension because I don't have an extension for this size. I got smaller extensions for these ones, but I ain't got one for the bigger one. And I do not want to make a run to the store just for one extension, bro. That'll be a waste. But, yep, I'll catch y'all in a second. Hope y'all rock with my halo lights. At least we got 2 of them back working. But you can't even see them when I turn my, well, when I do the headlights. I can just turn off the, I don't think that worked because I got to turn the car on. Oh, it did work. So yeah, I could just do it like this again. What the freak? Now my headlight's not working. Oh man, here we go. Yeah, this is crazy. Now my headlight's not working. It gotta be that socket or something. I don't know. If y'all know what it is, y'all let me know. But yeah, now I can rock with one headlight, one halo light type stuff, you feel me? So yeah, let me start cleaning up, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. I know I said the outro, but I wanted to show y'all real quick. So my headlights are working, but I gotta have it on the bright. So I just tested it out real quick, turned back on the bright, see if they come back on. They came back on. My halo's still on. Y'all can't really tell. There you go. Y'all can tell a little bit. Both my halos still on. But if I turn off my brights by clicking this, turn off my brights, then we only have one headlight, period. So I think it is just I'm gonna have to order a new one. Like I said, y'all can see the corrosion in there. It's pretty corroded, but yep, I'm gonna clean up because these bulbs are staying in this car, so I can remember to put that LED one in when I get my new socket. So yep, and then here go my knuckle. I need to put another one in. Like I said, I don't know where the other one is, the original one. I don't know where it's at, the one I already had on her. I don't know where it's at. It might have fell off somewhere or something. I really don't know. But if it fell off, I would have heard it. But yeah, let me go ahead and clean up. I'm doing too much. Let me clean up. Alright, y'all. So that's going to be it for this one. Like I said, I got to order that socket. I found one on Amazon for $9. I'll show y'all just because y'all trying to order it. One second. Trying to pull it up. So yeah, I found one, $10. There you go. That's the socket. So I gotta order one of these. Like I said, it's $10. I'm gonna go ahead and try to order it today. I also need to order that carpet for the cutlass. So yeah, I need to order both of those. So I need to go by the bank, deposit some money. And yep, that's what we gotta do. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this. We fixed the halo. Well, I knew what the problem was. I knew it had to be the wire either coming undone or the wire's not hooked up right. So yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching this video, this little vlog of us putting the halo lights back onto the car. Now that I know what the problem is on the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and order the part so I can go ahead and have that part coming in, and we can be ready to roll, you feel me? We'll be ready to roll once that new part come in, and all we gotta do is install that part. Then our halo light should be back, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. It's gonna be it for this one because it's hot in this car. I'm sweating. I need to get out. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate y'all for watching this one. I'll catch y'all in the next one.